Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a term that has important implications in various fields such as law, mathematics, and everyday decision-making. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as arbitrary, arbitrary, R, B, tr, re. Arbitrary. Arbitrary is crucial in understanding how decisions and choices are made, especially when they lack consistency or are driven by personal preference rather than objective criteria. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about arbitrary, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.